Hi guys, today I want to quickly take you through the variations of the formula count. I have this data here and we want to count the different variables. We have 5 numbers, 2 blank cells and 3 cells with text. Let's use count first. Call up the formula. Select the range you want to count. You will notice that the formula only counts the cells with numbers. Next is the count A. Call up the formula. Select the range you want to count. The formula only counts the non-blank cells. The next one is count blank. Call up the formula. Select the range you want to count. The formula only counts the blank cells. Next is the count if. Now with count if, the formula requires a condition to identify the cells to count. For this example, we will count the numbers that are less than 100. Call up the formula. Select the range you want to count. Enter the condition which is below 100. The formula only counts the cells with stated condition. The last one is count ifs. This formula allows you to enter more than one condition. For this example, we will count numbers that are less than 100 and greater than 10. Call up the formula. Select the range you want to count. Enter the first condition which is below 100. Select the second range. Enter the second condition which is above 10. The formula only counts the cells with stated condition. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.